Pesta telah berakhir. Rangkaian show ajang America's Got Talent 2023 telah usai seiring tampilnya ke-11 finalis di babak final hari ini. Dan setelah mengamati keseluruhan performance dan juga tanggapan para judges, maka ada 4 yang paling bersinar dan berpeluang besar menjadi juara. Peta kekuatan setelah show ternyata sedikit berubah. Yang membayangi Putri Aryani adalah Murmuration, disusul oleh Ramadhani Brothers dan Avantgarde. Berikut cuplikan ke-11 finalis sesuai urutan saat perform. Check it out. Oh ya, di akhir video ada wawancara media dengan juri dan juga Putri Aryani. Panggung final dibuka oleh penampilan Adrian Stoica dan anjingnya yang lumayan pintar dan lucu. Tidak ada yang begitu spektakuler, tapi ada kemungkinan mereka bisa lolos ke 5 besar. Penampilan Sansi ini lumayan menghibur, perpaduan suara mereka lumayan harmonis. Tetapi karena di luaran sana masih banyak kelompok paduan suara yang lebih spektakuler, jadi admin tidak menjagokan mereka kali ini. Lagian karena untuk talent singer, Putri Aryani jauh meninggalkan mereka semua secara kualitas. Avantgarde ini salah satu finalis yang kualitasnya justru meningkat dan sepertinya mereka bisa jadi kuda hitam. Penampilan Lavender lumayan bagus juga, walau sedikit ada yang goyang di pertengahan performnya. Hanya saja jika dibandingkan dengan penampilan Putri Aryani yang sesama penyanyi, kualitasnya masih jauh di bawah. Hanya faktor lain lah seperti yang pernah kita bahas sebelumnya yang bisa membuatnya mendulang suara banyak malam ini. Yang sangat disayangkan malam ini adalah penampilan Chibi Unity. Gerakan-gerakan dinamis yang cepat yang merupakan kekuatan mereka di penampilan-penampilan sebelumnya tidak terlihat di penampilan mereka kali ini. Admin melihatnya malah terkesan seperti cheerleader. Menurut admin, untuk masuk 5 besar pun kayaknya berat. Menurut admin, kelompok paduan suara militer ini kualitasnya 11-12 dengan Sansi Youth Choir. Hanya faktor sebagai tuan rumah lah yang mungkin bisa membantu mereka untuk mendapatkan banyak vote. Menurut admin, tidak ada yang begitu spektakuler. Masih banyak di luaran sana magician yang performnya jauh lebih matang. Nilai plusnya dia bisa mencuri suara pemvote perempuan karena dia magician perempuan yang jarang kita temui karena biasanya didominasi sama laki-laki. Dia cukup jenaka, cok-coknya menertawakan disabilitasnya sendiri. Cukup menghibur, tapi tidak begitu spektakuler. Bukan karena dia dari Indonesia sehingga admin terkesan membelanya, tapi kenyataannya dia memang bintangnya malam itu. Komentar-komentar juri sangat luar biasa, bahkan media NBC saat mewawancarai para juri selalu Putri Aryani ini yang terkesan mereka jagokan karena wow. Silakan tonton penampilan fullnya lengkap dengan lirik dan terjemahan komentar para juri. Ada juga ulasan soal lagu yang dibawakannya dan sedikit reaction. Link cek di deskripsi. Di akhir video ini juga ada wawancara dengan Heidi Klum dan Putri Aryani. Ramadhani Brothers ini admin jagokan di tempat ketiga. Penampilan mereka cukup spektakuler dan bisa menjadi ancaman serius buat Putri Aryani. Apalagi kalau suara keturunan American African yang sangat banyak di negara Paman Sam ini ditujukan ke mereka, maka bisa jadi duo akrobat ini yang jadi pemenangnya. Dan yang paling bersinar selain Putri Aryani adalah Murmuration ini. Admin menjagokan mereka di tempat kedua. Penampilan mereka sangat-sangat spektakuler. Akankah juara season ini seperti juara season 17 kemarin yang dance-nya mirip-mirip dengan Murmuration ini yang meniti beratkan ke gerakan tangan? Mari kita tunggu sampai besok jawabannya, guys.
Ariani. She was a standout this evening. Her voice was incredible. What are your thoughts on her performance this evening?
I think also that she's absolutely amazing. What was she singing? It's also a very good song. You know, in the past, Archie, do you remember Archie? The gentleman that had been wrongfully put in jail, like he was singing that song. It's like a very, very super strong song. So for me already, when I hear this song, I get emotional. And then, you know, when you have the people behind it singing the song, you know, I had that same feeling when Archie was singing or now when she was singing. You know, I don't know, you feel a different type of way, you know?
Yeah, no, I feel like it's so emotional and you can feel that through the TV even. And so to be in there, in the room with that emotion.
Yeah, no, it was beautiful. And I loved the outfit that she had on and how beautifully she sits there, how they orchestrate, you know, her whole performance. It was really beautifully done.
Congratulations on an incredible performance. It was out of this world.
Thank you so much.
How do you go about taking an Elton John song, it's a classic, and just turning it on its head and making it your own?
I always like to make the song with my own version and my own interpretation. I just try to in the song deeply, and I try to know the meaning. And then this song has some like very deep meaning, you know, like when someone you love is loose, but it's also about don't let the sun go down on me. So don't let the light, the sun is going down.
It was incredible, so moving. I think everyone in the audience felt that. We felt that backstage watching it on TV. Is it something that this style of music that you've been performing during the show, is it something that we could expect from your album?
Maybe. Just wait and see.
Oh, we're waiting.
I already have an album.
Well, I'm going to keep waiting and seeing. We saw that your mum was in the audience this evening, was very moved. How important is her support and your family's support?
My mom, my dad, my family, and all people who supported me. It's like my mom, my dad, and my family is my biggest support system. But all people, everybody that always supported me, it's just like, oh my God, I'm so lucky that I have them in my life.
You have such an incredible voice. Who would your dream collaboration be?
Oh my God, it's a lot. But I really want to sing with like Justin Bieber, and then Bruno Mars, Ariana Grande, The Weeknd, and so much more others.
Oh, wow, all those collaborations would be incredible.
Thank you so much.
In your past interview we did, the fans all over the world have been so supportive. They love your voice and they can't wait to see what you do next. Do you have a message for them to say thank you for their support?
Oh, I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who supported me and who give love for me. You know, guys, you already helped me to reach my dream, and I just can say thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you so much, and keep supporting me, please.